Last time we talked about how to put a new feature behind the feature gate using Statsig, so that if something goes wrong with the feature, you can turn it off remotely without any kind of code change or deployment. Oftentimes, though, it's not that clear to you whether a new feature is behaving well or not. So you want to run an A/B test for it. With Statsig, it's super easy. So let's go back to the feature gate that we created last time. We set the feature gate to be passing for 0% of the user last time. To run an experiment using the feature gate as Statsig, all you have to do is change the pass percentage to be something that's not 0 or 100%. And we automatically create the A/B test for you. For this example, we're gonna change the pass percentage to be 50% so that half of your users get the feature and the other half do not. Here we do confirm, and then we can save the change. Now that the change has been saved to our feature gate, only half of your users will be getting the feature and the other half, they will fail the feature gate and thus not getting the new feature. We can go back to the demo app to check this out. So the game is set up so that every time the page is loaded, we randomize the user ID. So if we refresh the page, you will see that sometimes we'll get a larger font size, sometimes we'll get a smaller size. The Statsig console actually has a pretty handy diagnostic tool that shows you in real time what feature or what result that you're getting for different users. As you can see, we actually have some exposure logs that came in just now, and it tells us what user ID and what value that the user got. Now our feature gate has been set up and it's passing for half of our users. The last thing we need to do is log some events. So we can go back to the code, find the play function, which is called whenever a button is clicked, and call static.log event. Pull in the event name. In this case, let's call the event game played. And that's it. Every time a user clicks on one of these buttons, this event will be logged. And after a day, we will have enough results to show in the post results page. If we scroll down to the metrics section, you can see that users who are seeing the new feature is having more gameplay events, which is great for the feature. What's great about Statsig is that we show all the events that you log for your whole entire app for every experiment. In this case, our app only has one event that's logged, so we only see this one event. The other events are automatically generated by Statsig. But I have here another project that has other events logged, and we can see a rich set of events that are moved by this A/B test. And there you have it. We just created our first A/B test and log event in less than 3 minutes.